So I am in the process of installing some twists and sunshines here. I washed her hair this morning, and since I know I'm going to be doing twists, I decided that I would just do them neatly one time so that I don't have to go back at it. So her hair up here just having a small amount of leave-in conditioner, and as I part each section, I'm putting in the leave-in and pomade. So for those of you who've never seen me use the two before, you're going to see how I do that now. So a lot of what I do with her hair is pulling and tugging to loosen up any tangles that there might be. And I'm just doing these type of parts so that the twist would fall nicely. So I haven't untangled her hair yet. I didn't do it when the conditioner was in. This is the first time that I will be untangling and twisting and everything all in one go. So you will see how I do that. So I'm just ensuring that I'm happy with the part. So I'm good with that. And then I'm just going to put the rest back up again. And in me putting it back up, turn your head, sweetie. I'm just going to stretch it a bit before I put on the ruffle because I find that that helps. So now this is the piece that we're going to be working with. And I just, come down. I just hold it in my hand like this. And then I stretch it all the way down. This brings down, helps to bring down any tangles, I should say. One just fell on the floor or loose hair. Because remember, this is the first time that I am untangling her hair from the wash. Well, from 2 weeks ago when I had installed the twists. So this is the section. I've done my preliminary untangle. Have a knot there. Oh, it actually walked out. So I'm just going to take some leave-in conditioner. About this much for this section, and I am going to apply it down her hair shaft, and I'm going to take a little bit more to put on the ends.
Mommy, this Power Ranger show, we're only at episode 11.
And I'm squeezing it in.
Mommy, I feel like episode 23.
Yeah, it feels long. Get a bit of pomade, rub it into my hands and put it on her hair. And again, a bit more at the ends. And then I'm going to do my preliminary finger detangling. Just parting through each section, making it smaller, but you would have seen me do this before. So again, this helps loosens up the tangles as well. Hold on your head, sweetie. And then I'm going to take my comb, the big side. This is my favorite comb. And I'm just going to comb it down.
You never told me you had a favorite comb.
I thought you knew I had a favorite comb.
No.
So once the roots are pretty untangled, you can see that the comb is going straight through, like that. Then when I get to the ends, that's when I hold it taut, and then I attack the ends. Well, I shouldn't say attack, that sounds bad. But I work with the ends. And once I get the ends through, the rest is pretty much easy sailing. And now I should be able to pass the comb straight through her hair. I'm going to separate the hair in two as even as I can. And this time, I usually start my twist with a plait. But from last time and this time also, I'm just starting directly with the twist. And then you just twist all the way down. And sometimes as you twist, I also pass my hand down the braid, and this, I guess it helps to close down the cuticle as well, but it's just something that I like to do. It smooths out the hair as well. So you twist all the way down. And we're going to repeat this until all is finished. But I'll just complete this one with you. You're going all the way down. And then I'm going to give it a little twirl. I twist as far as I possibly can. Because with her, if she had a looser curl pattern, I might not have had to twist all the way down because it would curl up by itself. But I need to encourage her here to curl, so I do like a finger coil. And you can see this little spriggly end right here. I am going to snip that so it doesn't cause any problems in the future. And there you have it, how I am twisting all of her hair.